Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. If you think that I can help you out, hit that like button and subscribe. This week, the temperatures have really fallen here in the Chicago area, so I think I need something with some kick and some spice to really warm up this core. So I think today I'm going to grill up some Peri Peri Chicken Bowls. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. In today's video, I'll be grilling some chicken and then using it to create some Peri Peri Chicken Bowls. To begin, I'm starting out with some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You could use chicken thigh if that's your preference, but I'm going to use chicken breast today. Now, if you've watched videos on my channel before, you know that there is some necessary prep required so that you could grill the perfect chicken breast every time. In a nutshell, what you need to do is to use a sharp knife to open up your chicken like a book. This reduces the thickness of your chicken breasts so that they cook faster on the grill. Chicken breasts also tend to be thicker on one end versus another, so using some parchment paper and a meat mallet, we're going to go hammer and even out that thickness. Click the card above if you'd like to see a video detailing this entire process. So using this preparation method, my 2 chicken breasts have been split into 4 pieces, which I'll now place into a clear Ziploc bag. And to this bag, we'll add our marinade in the form of peri peri sauce. It's an African sauce traditionally made with bird's eye chili peppers, but of course, as you can see, I picked this mix up from Trader Joe's. No matter if you use store-bought sauce or made your own, pour about a 1/4 to 1/2 cup into your bag with your chicken breasts or chicken thighs, seal it up, and then toss and shake and mix thoroughly. Place this bag in your fridge and then let it marinate for at least 1 hour. While that's happening, let's prepare another component that will go on our grill and in our bowls today, and that's some bell pepper. Any color will do, but I'm using a green bell pepper today because it's just what I happen to have on hand. No matter what color bell pepper you have, remove the seeds, remove the white part inside, as well as cut into strips. Now, this next part is admittedly a little bit of a waste, but I now also cut off the curved ends of the bell pepper so that each strip will lay fairly flat on the grill. Now I'll drizzle some olive oil on my bell pepper strips, as well as hit them with a little bit of salt and some pepper. Give this all a mix and then set aside until you are ready for the grill. So fast forward 1 hour, I have been preheating my Weber Q 1200. It is a little bit filthy from my last cook, so I'm going to use a grill brush and scrape these grates clean. And because there is no oil in that peri peri sauce I used as a marinade, I'm going to have to oil these grill grates so that the chicken doesn't stick to the grill. Since this lid has been open for a little bit, I'm going to shut it so that the grill can come on back up to a good temperature. Alright, and after about 5 or 10 minutes, your grill should be nice and toasty again. Set your gas knob to a medium heat, and then go ahead and place your chicken directly across the grill grates. Oof, okay, so the aromas from the chili peppers has got me wheezing a little bit. See, I told you, this little bit of kick and spice is just what I need on this cold autumn day. Anyways, once all my chicken breast pieces are on board, I can now shut the lid and let these cook undisturbed for about 5 minutes. And 5 minutes have elapsed, so it's time to check on our chicken breasts and turn them all over. And look at that, they turn right on over with ease, no sticking at all, and excellent grill marks to boot. The aromas from this peri peri sauce smell amazing, and what you can't see is me holding back some watery eyes from the chili peppers in the sauce. Alright, now that all my chicken breasts have been turned over, it's time to lay down my strips of bell pepper. Now, what I'd like to point out is you'll see that I intentionally placed my chicken in the center third of the grill and am arranging my bell peppers in the top third and bottom third of my grill. This was done intentionally because the middle third of my Weber cube runs hotter than the top and bottom thirds. So arranging the food in this manner will keep my veggies from burning. Okay, everything is now on board, so I'm going to shut the lid once again and let this cook. After about 2.5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and give all of my bell pepper strips a turn. And you'll see in that quick 2 minutes, they've developed a few char marks, which is exactly what we're looking for. A little bit of color, but not blackened. Once all my bell pepper strips are turned over once again, we can now close the lid and let everything on this grill finish cooking. So 2.5 minutes later, the chicken has been on for a total of 10 minutes, and the bell pepper has been on for a total of 5 minutes. Everything should be ready to come on off the grill. Set that chicken off to the side for about 5 to 10 minutes and let them rest before carving into them. Alright, so fast forward 10 minutes and we're ready to carve into our chicken breasts. Like I said, these smell absolutely delicious. I'm ready to eat, but first let me show you what these look like on the inside. That's perfect. I don't think the camera really does this any justice, but seriously, this method of cooking chicken breasts yields perfect results every single time. Continue carving up your remaining chicken into strips, and then you can think about assembling your Peri Peri chicken bowls. To begin, you're going to start with a bed of arugula. Arugula just might be my favorite green because it's uniquely peppery and crunchy. Alright, and the next ingredient I'm adding to the bowl will be Spanish-style rice. Don't make it complicated. Be like me and use a 90-second stovetop mix like this one I picked up from Target. I'm going to add a couple of scoops to the top of my bed of arugula. Perfect. Next up comes the star of our show, our grilled Peri Peri chicken. I think I skimped out a little bit on this bowl, so one more piece right there. Next up comes our grilled bell pepper strips. And finally, to top this all off, use a spoon and add a healthy dollop of hummus. And that's it. That is how you can grill up a Peri Peri chicken bowl on a Weber Q or any other gas grill. I think a bowl like this is a perfect way to have Peri Peri chicken because the rice as well as the hummus helps balance out the sweetness, saltiness, and spice of the Peri Peri sauce. But give this a go and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you very much as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and this channel, and I cannot wait to see you all again next time. Bye!